Okay, I'm going to take you through this practice worksheet that's entitled Estimation of Body Size from Individual Bones. And for this one, you're going to need these pages in your reference tables as usual. And here we go. So on page 9 in your reference tables is this big mysterious chart. I wanted to point out a couple things. Pay attention to the heading. This gives you the general formula. You take this factor or a certain number times the length of the bone that you've got, whether it's the humerus, the radius, the ulna, the femur, etc. Then you add on this number, this amount of centimeters. Okay, that gives you your answer, factor times the bone length. Then add this number, and then don't forget about the accuracy, plus or minus however many centimeters. And also please notice that based on many averaged measurements for different people of different bodies of different races and different sexes, we've got different parts of this chart, whether you've got American Caucasian males, American Caucasian females, American Caucasians if sex is unknown, going down to the bottom, a couple different parts of the chart for African American and African males and females. And then at the very bottom, you've got this generalized formula. If you're not sure if the bone came from a male or a female and you don't know anything about the ethnicity, then you use this part of the chart. Okay, so here we go. I'm going to go through 2 problems on this page. After I do one of them, you may feel comfortable to just shut off this video and try the rest on your own and check the answer key. Here we go. We got a Caucasian male femur that is 50.6 centimeters long. So we go to the part of the chart that is for American Caucasian males. Okay, and then we know it's a femur, so we use this part of the formula. Okay, and we add on this, and here is our accuracy. Okay, so I'm going to write this nice and big. The answer would be 2.32 times the length of the femur, which is 50.6. Put that in parentheses. Add to that 65.53. That is going to give us an answer of 182.9 centimeters plus or minus 3.94 centimeters. So based on this, the measurement of this femur, this person was about 183 centimeters high, but they could have been somewhere between 179, that's 182.9 minus 3.94, or up to 187, somewhere between 179 centimeters and 187 centimeters in height. And if you've got a few different missing persons and you want to rule some of them out, that might allow you to rule out, oh, it couldn't have been this, the bone couldn't have come from this missing person because this person was 160 centimeters high when they were tall, when they were alive. Okay, I'm going to jump down and do one more. Question number 4, African American male, humerus of 41.1. So we go to the part of the chart that's for African American and African males. Okay, humerus of 41.1. Okay, so we go to the very first part of the top formula on the chart using this, and here is our accuracy. So to run this through, we would say it's 2.88 times 41.1. You know what you should do? You should try this yourself and then check it when you're done. Hit pause and try it yourself. Plus 75.45 equals the height of this person based on this one bone, 193.8 centimeters plus or minus 4.23 centimeters. So again, this person's height would be about 180, somewhere between 189 centimeters and 198 centimeters, basically adding or subtracting this accuracy to that number for the height. Okay, there you go. Try the rest of the sheet, check the key.